Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the WinRAR app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the WinRAR app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of WinRAR, since that's where we can download their app. So just search for winrar.com on your search bar. Make sure to enter it correctly so you will be directed to their website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download WinRAR on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download WinRAR option right here. Just go and click it. And after that, you will now be directed to the downloading page of WinRAR. So just scroll down and then click the download button once again. And after clicking it, your WinRAR will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, your installer will show you the location where your WinRAR installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click Browse and then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click Install. And now here on this page, you just need to customize your WinRAR settings and decide what file types it will handle by default. So here on the left, you'll see a list of file extensions like RAR, ZIP, and 7Z. These are the types of compressed files WinRAR can open. You can leave the default options as they are, or if you want WinRAR to handle all supported file types, just click Toggle All to select everything. While here on the right side, you will find options for creating app shortcuts for WinRAR. If you want to add WinRAR to your desktop home screen, just enable the Add WinRAR to Desktop option. And once you're done customizing your WinRAR, just click OK to proceed. And finally, for the last step, you can now click the Done button to completely install WinRAR to your device. And after that, it's done. Congratulations! You will now have WinRAR installed on your device, so you can start using it to extract compressed files, create your own archives, or manage file types like RAR, ZIP, and many more with ease. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.